Welcome to EPM 12 Preventative Maintenance Software. Our program has been serving businesses and governments since 1998. Let's start with the menu screen. Here we can choose from a number of options, such as inputting new job tickets or displaying the current list of job tickets. We can get some quick help and type notes on the bulletin board for other users to see. Let's now go to the job tickets area. Here in the job tickets list, you can select which job tickets will be worked on today. Notice that the past due tickets are in red, clearly indicating how long they are overdue. The tickets due days from today are marked in green. This way it is easy to determine your priorities. You can sort the tickets by the next day due, or by job ticket. You can group them by plant. This means your wastewater plant can have their own set of tickets. You can hide the tickets for certain plants using special usernames. Once you determine which ticket you will be closing, you can click on it, review it, edit the ticket or close the ticket. Let's review the process of closing the ticket. There are two ways to close a ticket: via the iPhone, or via an iPad or the PC. Please note that iPad and iPhone users can access this database free with an application from FileMaker called FileMaker Go. It is available for download. Once you close the ticket, it is scheduled for the next cycle per the frequencies assigned to the job. A historical record of what was done is maintained by the system. If the user has an iPad or iPhone, they can display this list, view the repair instructions, and close out the ticket while on the road. If your workers use paper, your database administrator can print out paper recorders and when returned, close out the tickets. Let's review more on the next video.